Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You already have 2 active SIMs. Start now by installing WhatsApp and WhatsApp Business. First, open the standard WhatsApp app and verify the primary number if not already done. Enter the SMS code or accept the call. Once that completes, switch to WhatsApp Business and prepare to verify the second number. Make sure airplane mode is off and that the carrier allows SMS or voice verification. Do not skip this step because verification ties each number to a separate app identity. Now verify the second SIM inside WhatsApp Business. Enter the phone number assigned to that SIM and request the SMS code. If you don't get the SMS, select the Call Me option and answer the verification call on that SIM. Enter the spoken code. Once verified, configure your business profile or rename it to distinguish accounts. Make sure notifications are enabled so you can receive messages from both apps. Using 2 apps keeps accounts separate while both run on one device. Finish by customizing each app so you can instantly tell which number is active. Use different profile photos and notification tones. Once done, test messaging and make a backup for each app to Google Drive or iCloud separately. If verification fails or messages don't arrive, try re-verifying via call, restart the phone, or temporarily swap SIM slots and retry. Make sure carrier service is live. This dual app method is the only reliable way to run 2 WhatsApp numbers on one device.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.